Hi viewers, now in this second video of the sum product series, we are going to discuss some more complex problems. If you have not watched the first video, so the link of the playlist is given in the video also in the description. If you have a such type of database where you want the search to be done by item, year, month, region, and then you see the quantity and the revenue. So all search your data by multiple columns. This sum product will also help us if we want item A, B, C on different items. For example, not only one item if I select two, three items and it gives me the relevant quantity and the revenue and the information. So how we can do that? And this cannot be done with SUMIFS. And similarly, if you want to do your analysis by date range, if you select a specific start date and end date, and this quantity and revenue should be available. Now, if I have in my column month and year also, and I want this search to be on the item, then in year, then month. If I select an item here and then year and then month, so I should give all this information here, this quantity and revenue against those. And there is one another very excellent use of some product. If you want that if there is A or C to calculate the quantity and revenue against two criteria. For example, if I have selected A or C, if I select here A and here C, and it should give me the information against both of them. This is what SUMIF can never do. It can give you the information against only one criteria. You can use a lot of, but the selection would be only one. Now here, if I select A, so it's give me the quantity and revenue. But if I select A and then C also, so it would give me the quantity and revenue against A and C, both of these items. This is also the function of sum product. And along with that, if I use a specific year and a specific month, so it should calculate all these things with them. First, let's see that how it would calculate items if I select two criteria that calculate quantity against A and C or A and B or B and C and C and D. Now you need to remember this. This multiplication inside the formula works for AND also. Here what I want A or C. If I need A and C, so I can use multiplication that is used for and plus is used for OR. If I say calculate the quantity if item is A or C, so I will use plus between those criteria. Now let's see first the very basic example is equal to sum product small bracket and then again small bracket. Now I am doing what? Sum item is equal to this one. I will close the bracket. And for OR, I will use plus small bracket again. Again, I will select the item column and is equal to C. And then small bracket close, small bracket close. So these two brackets are only for this formula. So I will use here this bracket also because these two brackets I need for one for this and one for this, and at the end I closed two brackets. So here what it's doing, for example, let's close it. See, it shows me 5 A and C. It shows me that in your column, in this column, the quantity of A and C is 5. Let's see, A 1 2 3 4 5. A and C are 5. Now if I say A and B, it shows 4. Let's see. B, yes, A and B quantity is 4. Here I just used to search for quantity against two criteria. Now this is just giving me the quantity of this item. Now I need against these two one the quantity, this one, this one. So here now I will use multiply. Now I am doing multiplication. The quantity against A and B to be multiplied with this column. In small bracket close. So here it will now give me, and now I will close the again the small bracket for this one and enter. Now it says that item A and B quantity is 158. This is A, and this is B, and this is B. And for these four, let's see the quantity. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So all these, when I sum, so here you see sum 158, and this is also 158. So basically, this sum product you can use for two items also. Now, for example, if I have not selected anything in the second one, so it would give me just the information about the first one. It would not give me any error. And for SUMIF, you have to have something in that column, otherwise it would give you error. Now here, if I remove this one also, so it gives me 0. Now if I have selected an item here, one item, so it gives me the information against that A. Now here you see A. There are only two A's, 40 and 41, 81. So it gives. Now if I select here some any other item, so it would calculate that also. If I have a third year also, for example, if I say here that A give me information about A, so this one, information of A and B both, so this one. Now if I say here C, if I add here C also, so what I will do here, I will just here initiate another third bracket, and here after this I will add a plus again, small bracket, and here I will again select the item column and will say is equal to this one, and then close the bracket. Now I have added here three items, one, two, three, so I will close three brackets and enter. Now here you see it's giving me the information of A, B, and C in this one cell. Now if I remove C, so it's only about A and B. If I deselect B, so it's only about A. If I select this one, so it's 0. Now if I select here D, so it would give me the information about D. Here you can select multiple items here also. So you can use basically this for a dynamic or more functions, and a much more enhanced dashboard where you have, if you select one item, so it gives you the quantity against only one. If you select two, three, four, whatever number, so you can do this with this sum product, which some apps can't do for. This is another function of this sum product. Now if you need the revenue also in the same way, so just copy this whole formula from the formula bar, or here along with is equal to, copy it, paste it here, F2, just this quantity column, drag it to the revenue column. So here you will see now the revenue. Now this is 4160 for D, B, and A. If I remove this D, B, and only for D I am searching, so it's give me the revenue of D. D is here only one time, and this is the revenue 544, and this is 544. If I change it, so you can see all these formulas are changed. Now if you want to add year and month also, so for that this function is only for selecting the item, so leave that. After this I used quantity. Okay, now here just use another example, multiply small bracket. What I need year, just select the year and say is equal to this, and now small bracket close, then multiplication sign, small bracket starts. What month also, select the month and say is equal to this. Sum product is very easy in this way, you just range that specific column in which that thing is available and just use is equal to and add that one. And now here you just need to close that much brackets, and if you don't, no issue, Excel will automatically close the required brackets. So you just, now here I have the information about A. I haven't used B and C or any other item. A in 2021 and in January only. So here you see we have A in January and February both. So in January when we have 41, so here we see 41. Now if I select here Feb, so it's 40 now because in Feb it's 40. So it will calculate against the months. If I have this in January and this one also in January, so now if I select January, so it would give me 81 number. It's calculating the A against that, and the year is all 21, so it's 21. And same thing, we have used these three formula per revenue also. So you can do this like this, select the whole formula, paste it here, and here just change the quantity to the revenue, and that's it. So now if you select MAR March, so there are zero because there is no item in March in 2021. In March, we have only sold B and C and D. So if you select here B and C and D, it would give you number, otherwise it would be zero. So it shows you that for the A item in 2021 March, there is no quantity and no revenue. If I select B, so it gives me, this is B, this is March, this is 44, this is 96. So you can use this month and year in as much as areas, region also you can add here. If I select a specific region, so for that you will have you just need here to use then small bracket multiply small bracket start, range the column region, and where would you select, keep that region as equal to here. Okay. Now if here I type Z, so it's giving me information of the Z region only. Now it's more filter. So now you can use more than 2, 3 items, year, month, region, and all such criterias and some product which you cannot do with some if so much easily. Now let me show you one another example. If you want that I don't need this year and month, I want a start date and end date, and all my dashboard should be updated whenever I select a specific item, or if I do not select an item, you just want start date and end. So for this, I have developed a detailed tutorial, which is the session number 3. The link is given in the description because I do not want to keep these video lengthy. So that's why I am making them short. So you can just go to the description and there click the playlist, and that is session number 3 available there. Thank you so much for your time. Keep learning, subscribe, share, and like the videos and comment. If you visit my channel, I have organized all these sessions very carefully. You will see these playlists. If you want to learn Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Access, MS Word and Mail Merge, then other tricks of the Microsoft Excel and other softwares, other learning tips, how to prepare yourself for interviews, these other playlist of learning online data collection, KOBO, MS Form, Google Form for collecting online data, data analytics, project management series is there is a playlist for MS Excel, beginners also, Windows, and all these playlists, single playlists are also available. So you can benefit from all these sessions which are free of cost, and you just open it and watch them and learn and improve your productivity. There are these beautifully designed PowerPoint presentations, how to make these PowerPoint presentation, and every video has a detailed step-by-step tutorial. So visit my channel, subscribe, like and share and comment. Comment is very important for me because if you comment a video, so I can improve these videos more. Whatever question you have, so you can ask, and this will be good for the channel also, and learn and improve your productivity. Thank you.